Monday morning fabrics. As I go and I'm in the stores and shop and see what's new for Mondays, see what's new for spring, I see blues. I just still am seeing so many blues. So I put together a collection of blues. They all blend together, they coordinate, they're really beautiful, and I'll tell you why I put these together. So we start off with the cotton poly, and it's a textured blue, just a good navy knit. And the reason it's so good is this could be great for cardigans. We've got several cardigans, 915, 923. There's just several cardigans that this would work really well for in this whole group. Taking the same base, sheers. We're seeing a lot of sheer lightweight jackets. They're just beautiful. I'm going to have a little commentary on it, but this is 100% cotton. I mean, this is just gorgeous sheers, and I'm going to show you finishes. I'm just going to show you some really beautiful ways to finish things off. It's just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is embroidered. This is not printed on. This is actually embroidered into the 100% cotton. So just a lovely piece of fabric. Now, let me also tell you, these are all $14.99 today and tomorrow. This is 100% cotton linear. You can see the lines going through it. Both sides are really usable, great for pants, top, could be paired with, like I said, they all coordinate with. So again, 100% cotton, $14.99, just a great deal. This is a beautiful print. This would be great in a little crop jacket. Or you could, do many other things. A jean jacket would be great. So you'd have your two jackets, a knit body, a woven body. This could be pants. Just really a great combination together. This is a small little check. It is 100% cotton. Just burns really well. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's woven. It's a navy and white. There's a little bit of black in there. And then I love this. This is a cotton poly, and it's reversible crepe de chine. So that just means it's textured on one side and got the shine on the other side. That's the weave. But the fiber itself is a cotton poly. Again, $14.99. It's got great drape. A little pair of pants with this would be beautiful. And you can see they all lend themselves to where they go together. The blue floral has so many beautiful blues in it. It's just really nice. And then this is a actual fused. So this also would be a great jacket because this back has been fused. It's a woven, it's a cotton poly, but you can see it's just got beautiful drape and beautiful hand. And it really works well. I don't know that I'd do pants out of it. You could, but I think a jacket would be the best. So there you have it. And again, they all coordinate together. $14.99 today and tomorrow. Monday morning fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.